Because of time is of the essence. This letter here again is dated April 1st, 2015. It's from Brian Gaines of South Carolina Department of Administration. I keep referring to this letter because it's very important. Brian Gaines sent me a packet of inter-office communication showing how the state of South Carolina government officials was involved in a cover-up and a conspiracy regarding Barr from applying. I received those documents on April 6, 2015. This next document here is an email that was sent to Sharon Dorn, Raymond Buxton of South Carolina Human Affairs Commission. It was based on a meeting that I had with them on November 12, 2014 at the South Carolina Human Affairs building. The attorney Joshua Barr was present as well. But you need to read the email yourself because there's acidic content that took place in that meeting that's almost unbelievable. But that was just a cover-up to allow the state of South Carolina to escape accountability for civil rights violation. But I'm going to focus on specific points. When I made a second complaint in 2013, I had the initial verification of being barred from applying that I had been secretly blackballed. But I made that claim in 2011 without having the actual verification, and that was based on many events. So the second complaint should have validated the first complaint, and the first complaint should have validated the second complaint. But South Carolina Human Affairs and the United States Equal Employment Opportunity Commission refused to hold the state of South Carolina accountable for civil rights violation. But the second point I want to focus on, I let it be known that I believe that I had been targeted by someone or a group. And that group was South Carolina Department of Employment Workforce. Because Adrian Sorensen of South Carolina Department of Employment Workforce, HR office, manually applied, barred from applying, on July 19, 2013, not to expire until December 30, 2018. That is 5.5 years without notification and without justification. And this is why the state of South Carolina stated that barred from applying was a system error after they got their hand caught in the cookie jar. And so when you apply barred from applying, candidate does not meet minimum qualification, or this candidate has been marked. There is not a system that automatically does that. Someone has to go into the system and manually apply that information. And the document that I received from Brian Gaines on April 6, 2015, provide true facts and true evidence regarding barred from applying, which South Carolina Human Affairs and the United States Equal Employment Opportunity Commission refused to acknowledge and apply the law. So to the United States Department of Justice, justice has been denied. I am requesting an investigation. And to the state of South Carolina, when you refuse to say my name, I said my own name. Justice is still required.